Welcome to Data Muscle Snowflake Bootcamp, your complete learning path from beginner to advanced. In the first lesson, we are going to answer a simple but important question. What is Snowflake and why does it matter so much in the data world today? Snowflake is a cloud-native data platform that makes storing and analyzing data easy and powerful. What is meant by cloud-native data platform? Cloud native means Snowflake was built specifically to run in the cloud instead of being adapted from older on premise software. In simpler words, traditional data warehouses are like old buildings retrofitted with modern living. Snowflake, on the other hand, is like a brand new smart building designed from day one to take full advantage of the cloud. Data platform means that Snowflake is more than just a place to store data. It's a complete system that includes storage, where your data lives, compute, the processing power to run queries and transformations, cloud services layer, the brains that handle security, metadata, query optimization, and transactions. But why the Snowflake is so popular? How is it different from a traditional data warehouse? Snowflake is popular because it solves many challenges that traditional data warehouse couldn't handle efficiently. Here is how it stands out and why so many companies are adopting it. Cloud native and fully managed. Snowflake is a SaaS platform built specifically for the cloud. That means no hardware purchases, no software installations, no maintenance windows or manual upgrades. You simply log in and start working. Think of it like using Gmail instead of running your own mail server. Separation of storage and compute. In traditional data warehouses, storage and compute resources are bundled together, making scaling difficult and expensive. Snowflake separates storage from compute, so you can scale storage independently as your data grows. Instantly spin up or pause compute resources without affecting other workloads. Pay only for what you use. That means instead of one big kitchen, every team gets their own kitchen that expands or contracts on demand. Elastic scalability and performance. Snowflake's architecture uses massively parallel processing behind the scenes. Queries are automatically distributed across multiple nodes. Performance stays high even with many users. No heavy manual tuning required. And the next one is support for all data types. Snowflake handles structured data, that is the tables with rows and columns, as well as semi-structured data like JSON and Parquet formats. You don't need separate system to work with different data formats. Next goes secure and simple data sharing. Snowflake makes it easy to share live data securely without copying files or building extra pipelines. This is called secure data sharing and it's built into the platform. Furthermore, lower total cost of ownership. Because it's fully managed and scales on demand, you avoid upfront hardware costs. You only pay for the compute resources you use. Maintenance is automated, reducing operational overhead. Whether you are a startup or a Fortune 500 company, Snowflake gives you the flexibility to handle any data workload without complex setup. Simply put, Snowflake solves the problem of growing data needs without growing complexity. Hope you have the clarity now on why Snowflake is so special. In the next lesson, we'll dive into the most common real-world use cases of Snowflake so you can see how it helps organizations solve problems and create value. See you soon.